know a massive thing for freshers is the worry about socialising, making friends, and generally how is it going to go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emma. I am now a master's student at the University of Surrey studying digital marketing. I've been at university for 4 years doing my bachelor's degree and I've absolutely loved it. So today's video I'm going to tell you how to prepare for freshers. So one of the first things that you're going to do when you go to university is you're going to move into your accommodation. So make sure you've got your accommodation sorted, try and get the best one at the best possible price for you, and I'm sure you'll have an amazing time. Remember, halls can range from having studio flats to yourself to having big flats with about 15 to 20 people. So it's very exciting new times. Make sure on your moving day to turn up early. You want to get that all-important fridge space. You want to try and aim to get the top shelf, because generally what happens is in a flat of loads of freshers, everyone leaves their moldy food in the fridge and all of that food drops down onto the bottom shelves. So you do not want to be there. That's the danger zone. Make sure when you're moving in that you pack your essentials. I'm going to do a whole different video on this about everything that you need to bring for university and some things that the university might not tell you to bring. I'll be linking that down below when it's available, so check it out. So when your room is somewhat sorted, you're going to be thinking about what you're going to do next. Now, I know a massive thing for freshers is the worry about socialising, making friends, and generally how is it going to go. I know you might be scared, so here are some little tips and tricks for when you first move into your accommodation. So from my own experience, I actually just went and sat in the kitchen and I was just on my phone, but I was just being there, and when somebody came in, I would just greet them, say like, hi, my name's Emma, and they would just be sorting out their own stuff. And then eventually people just came and sat down and joined me, and we just had a few conversations. So here are some conversation topic starters. So I'd maybe ask them what their name is, where they're from, and what course they do. I'd also maybe ask them about hobbies, what their plans are for Freshers Week, and you know what, if you want to be super friendly and they drink, ask them to do a shot with you. I really wouldn't be that worried about making friends at Freshers. Everyone is in the same boat and everyone is actually super friendly. I ended up making some lifelong friends. Quite literally, I met some people on the first day and they've been my friends for the past 4 years, which is amazing. So here are some tips for the rest of Freshers Week. So you're going to need to sort out your freshers wristband, okay? So I would normally advise, and this might just be for Surrey University, but to get your wristband from the Students' Union, because they sell you loads of different wristbands from all over town. And you can go into town, but generally all the freshers go to the Students' Union. Make sure you buy loads of booze beforehand, because you're going to learn about budgeting at university, and believe me, you want to buy loads of drinks before, PreHard, and then go to the club, because you don't want to be spending all your money on expensive alcohol in the club. So on the subject of pre's, make sure you play some good pre-games like Ring of Fire, Truth or Dare, Never Have I Ever, Flip Cup, all great ideas. Or you can even use card games. I've got some called like Brutal and Let's Drink to That. They are great card games and good for breaking the ice. I would also advise that you dress for each of the themed university freshers nights, just because it's a bit more fun. And yeah, make sure you bring a disposable camera and take loads of cool pictures with it, because I actually love keeping them as memories. I've got all the photos from my Freshers Week, and believe me, I think I've glowed up since then, but it's good memories. And finally, for all the mornings of Freshers Week, don't forget to have lots of water in, electrolyte packets so that you're not too hungover, and lots of food in the fridge. Honestly, all you're going to want to do is sleep and eat. Get your Netflix account up, get your laptop charged, and get ready to pretty much spend every day in bed and every night partying. This is obviously what a typical fresher is going to be doing. Obviously some people don't drink, some people won't want to go out, and that's totally fine. There'll be loads of things and activities that your university will do during Freshers Week. Just try to make sure that you're informed, checking your university emails, and I'm sure that they'll email you loads about different events. I hope this has been somewhat helpful and to the point about how to prepare for your Freshers Week. If you have any more questions, then do leave them down below. Believe me, I'm an experienced student, so ask me anything. And if you have any more video requests, then also leave them down below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!